Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss Cbse class 11 maths chapter 4 complex numbers and quadratic equations. We are learning the concepts of this chapter, children. We have come to the 7th part, and here we are going to learn how to find out the square root of a negative real number. We've already discussed about the addition, the subtraction, multiplication, division, and also how to calculate the power of I. So now we are going to learn about finding the square root of a negative number. So what will be the square root of a negative number? We're just going to see different examples and how we are going to solve them. So now when we have the square root of minus 5, how can we write it? We know that square root of AB is what? Square root of A into square root of B. Likewise, here square root of minus 5 can be written as square root of minus 1 into 5. Then we can write it as square root of minus 1 into square root of 5. So in that way, when you have square root of minus 1, this value is nothing but I. Because till now, whenever we had I square, we told it is going to be what? Minus 1. Okay, wherever you have I square, we substitute minus 1. So square root of minus 1 will be what? I. Is it clear, children? So whatever you have, you're going to convert it in terms of square root of minus 1 into the other value, and then you're going to substitute it for I. You can see that here, children. So minus A, so it will be minus 1 into A. So minus 1 into square root of A, so it will be I root A. Similarly here, you can see that square root of minus 4 is going to be 2I. Why? Because minus 4 will be square root of minus 1 into 4. So it will be square root of minus 1 into square root of 4. Square root of 4 we already know it is going to be 2, and square root of minus 1 is I. So it will be 2I. Similarly, you can try solving for this also. Likewise, see, you have square root of minus 16. So it is what? Square root of minus 1 into 16. We know root 16 is going to be 4 and root minus 1 is going to be 1. Similarly, for 18, you are going to divide it. See, 18 is going to be 9 into 2. So for 9 is a perfect square. So then you have what? 3 root 2. Otherwise, your square root of 18 means it will be what? 3 root 2. The same thing we have. But just because we have a negative symbol, we are going to include a I here. Is it clear, children? Similar here again with square root of 9 into square root of minus 4. Root 9 is what? 3. Root 4 is what? 2. Okay. Here you have minus 1, so it will be 3I. Here minus 1, it will be 2I. So here you can see it is going to be 3I into 2I. So 3I into 2I will be what? 6I square. See here, children. So when you're going to multiply two numbers, like two negative real numbers under the root, then you will get this kind of a number. Is it clear, children? So this is how you're going to calculate. See, you have one more thing for minus 60. So we are given all these steps. For 60, you can see, if you're not able to separate all this, the best thing would be just do the prime factorization method. So you will have 2 3s are 6. So you will have 3 15s are. So you will have 3 5s are. Okay, so you have 2 15s are. And then you have 3 5s are 15. So from this you can say that here you have the squares. So 2 square is there. So automatically be 2 into root of 3 into 5 will be what? 15. Very easily do this, children. It's very easy to do. So please don't make any mistakes in these kind of questions. Is it clear, children? You have another few more examples also. I want you all to try going through these. Remember, the value of I is going to be square root of minus 1, and the value of minus 1 is going to be I square. If you remember these two, solving these kind of questions under complex numbers is going to be easy. Hope you understood this, children. If you have any doubts, please get back to the videos once again and try to understand. We have one more small concept in this, like two more. We have about identities and then about the conjugate and models, which we'll be seeing in the upcoming videos. Hope you understood this, children. Thank you, children.